Hi, my name is Arif Billah. Today I will show you how to deploy a Windows server from AWS. Okay, so first of all, you have to log in your AWS account. Then you just write here EC2. Okay, so EC2. After write EC2, you will get here EC2 services. Just click on EC2. Okay, then you will find EC launch is instance. Okay, so you click on launch instance and click on launch instance. Okay, so also you can enter this instance state and you will get another launch instance button. Okay, so you can click on launch instance. Okay, so you will get another interface. You just write here your server name Windows. Okay, you can write anything whatever you like. After scroll little down, you will get OS option. Just select Windows. Okay, you can create a new key pair. I just select my existing key pairs. And network option, you will just select these three checkbox. Okay, I have already created another security group. I just select this one, and you can increase this size 13 to 16 GB, whatever it's according to your project. Okay, if you need too much storage for your project, you increase it from here. Okay, I recheck all is well. I just click on the launch instance button. Okay, wow, our Windows server is successfully initiated. Okay, and we go to the instance from here or here, view all instance. You see here our instance is now pending. After few minutes it will published. Okay, and live online. Click on refresh. Okay, after 1 minute it's showing running. So how to connect your Windows server? Just go to this click on this instant ID and go to this Windows instance, and after go to, you just click on the connect button, then RDP client, and now you just download this file, download remote desktop file. Okay, I just download from here. Okay, you can enter your Windows server using this file. Okay, windows.rdp file. I will show you how to enter your Windows server using this file next tutorial. And okay, and you need any help from me, you just comment out on our YouTube or Facebook, or you can contact me directly using email that I give in description. So okay, thank you.